Welcome to my channel, and in this video, I'm going to explain what this platform includes by walking through the sales page step by step, so you clearly understand how it works and what features are available. Let's start from this section here. The first feature shown is Complete AI Video Production. This part explains that the system can turn ideas or trends into TikTok videos using AI automation. You can create videos from text, meaning you enter text and it converts it into a full video. You can also paste a website URL and the system turns that page content into a video. There's also an image-to-video option, where a single image becomes a short, scroll-stopping TikTok video. In addition, it includes AI script generation, AI music creation, and an enhanced prompt system that improves the quality of outputs automatically. Now moving to the next section. This section focuses on remix and republish viral videos. Instead of creating content from scratch, the platform lets you find videos that are already viral in any niche using keywords and hashtags. You can remix those videos, add your own branding or captions, and republish them. They also highlight competitor audience targeting, where you can see which hashtags and audiences competitors are using, along with bulk reposting to automate daily posting. This next section is AI image creation. Here, the platform helps you create visuals for hooks, thumbnails, and B-roll. You can generate AI images, create thumbnails for TikTok videos, and edit visuals so they can be reused across multiple posts. Next to that is TikTok Viral Tools. This part shows how you can discover what's going viral right now in your niche. You can find viral videos, get trending hashtags, search by topic or creator, save winning ideas, and organize drafts so your content stays structured. Moving further down the page, this section is Competitor Spy Tools. It allows you to track top TikTok accounts and see their best performing content. You can identify which videos are blowing up, analyze the hashtags and captions they use, and save those angles to apply to your own content. Next to it is Scripts Builder and Channel Builder. This feature focuses on building a consistent TikTok brand. You can generate ready-to-use scripts from niche ideas, lock in a consistent content style, and choose different AI voice styles for branded videos. Here you'll see the Pro Timeline Video Editor. This includes tools to cut, trim, and rearrange clips, add effects and transitions, and save reusable templates so future edits take less time. Next to that is the Analytics Dashboard. This section lets you track views, followers, growth, and overall performance. It also includes trend tracking and audience insights to help you understand what's working and what to post next. Now moving to the last sections. This part is Scheduling and Automation Tools. You can schedule posts, manage a content calendar, bulk schedule multiple videos, and even set the platform to post automatically while you focus on other tasks. Finally, the last section is TikTok Mastery Training. This includes step-by-step training, growth frameworks, optimization tips, and a zero-follower blueprint designed to help grow a TikTok account from scratch. So overall, this sales page presents an all-in-one TikTok system that combines AI video creation, viral research, competitor analysis, editing, automation, analytics, and training in one platform. If you want to check the full details, pricing, and demo, you can find the official link in the description below.